On today's episode of Moto Cheese.
So in one of my last videos, I asked a question if there was another GoPro alternative that had a mic input, and I had a subscriber suggest this Crosstour 4K. So let me check it out real quick. This is recorded on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. 4K Ultra with a 170 degree angle. I gotta see this. Jeez. Comes with a lot of stuff for $30-something. Oh, that's a little tiny plug. And a guy recommended this in my last video. A lot of accessories. It does come with 2 batteries, which is pretty cool. Wow, pretty crappy viewfinder. So this is a 1080-60 internal mic. It doesn't have a touchscreen. Viewfinder's kind of really horrible. It does come with a lot of stuff though. I'm going to try the mic. This is the external mic from about 8 inches away. This is if it's up close in your helmet. Wonder how it's going to take loud noises. Vroom vroom. Alright, this is 4K 30 frame per second. It's a little jittery on the preview screen. I doubt I'd ever use 4K on this, but I assume if it does 4K 30, it'll do 1080 60 nicely. Seen a lot of frequency bars across the screen. That might be a problem. Might not be bad outside. Squirrel. This is an outside shot. Here's a little low light. 1080 60 frame per second with external microphone. So yeah, I recorded this all on my iPhone 11 Max Plus with a little head strap contraption. Actually works pretty good. It's a little bit heavy on your head. It's not really that much heavier than a GoPro with the microphone set up, but I don't need a microphone set up because it's right over my head. And as you can tell, the audio is actually pretty good. Pretty good. So let's see what's in this book. Oh, there's all the accessories. Shows how they work. There's how to get through the separate modes. General settings, video modes, photo modes. It does come with 2 batteries. There's one in there and here's the other one. Oh, it'd be nice to have as a little extra backup camera. Something that you don't mind breaking. For around $40, doesn't seem too bad. So after downloading and reviewing the videos that I did, it does a decent job, especially for 40 bucks, being able to do 4K. The microphone's actually pretty good if you put it up close to your mouth.
So, I mean, it's a good alternative. It's definitely a decent camera to keep around. If you lose it, you lose 40 bucks. That's not too bad. So, I mean, if you're just starting out and you got a low budget, it doesn't do that bad, really. One huge downside is the viewfinder. As you can see, it's not that great a quality. Outside videos were very good. Inside, not that great with the light flicker. Now I'm going to go through the menu of the camera. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'll be right back.
Trying out this remote now. Can you do a picture while you're recording? Nope. I'm going to stop it now.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on motovlogs.com. Thanks for watching.